Meaning of Dashiell Hammett.
Dashiell Hammett.
Dashiell Hammett.
Dashiell Hammett.
Dashiell Hammett. Dashiell Hammett was an American author who was best known for his hard-boiled detective novels, including The Maltese Falcon and The Thin Man. His writing style is characterized by its spare and direct prose, as well as its realistic depictions of crime and the criminal underworld. Hammett's work had a profound influence on the development of the crime fiction genre, and he is widely regarded as one of the most important and influential writers of the 20th century.